Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator, all you have to do is to enter the settings and then scroll to find the device section. Now let's tap on the display, and here we have to pick system icons. As you can see right here, we've got the battery option, and probably the battery percentage is disabled in your case if you've got only the indicator. Then all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and the percentage will be immediately applied to the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.